Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss most trickiest data engineering interview question which were asked by multiple interviewer. So if you are going to sit for the data engineering interview question, you are going for the PySpark, SQL, anywhere. So in the data analyst field, right, this is the most important question that could be asked. So what's the question is, like, we have a country table with the country name and their population, okay, and we have to find the list of the countries in the sorted manner with respect to their population. So it sound very easy, right? We will do the order by with the population and we can get the details. But what's the catch is, like, there should be like particular country. Suppose he will give you the United States. This country should be always at the top, and rest of the countries are onto the sorted manner, and this should not visible over here. So how you will do that? Okay, so United States have less number of population, but it should always on to the top, and rest should always at the lowest, and it should be sorted into the descending order. So how you will do that? Descending order means whoever the population is highest. Suppose China's population is highest, it should be at first, India should be at second. After that, US is coming, right? So this should be at third, but it should not be at third. It should always at the top, and rest should be in the order. So how we will uh, tackle this question, or how we will going to handle this question? So if you want to handle by yourself, you can skip the videos, or you can do the solution by yourself, or I have create table statement. So I'll just create the table and then I'll start. So I have create a statement I have taken from internet. So auto increment, I think it will not work in here. Identity will work. Identity, because that is a SQL statement. So identity, yes, it should work. Okay, identity, yes. So create table. It's been created. Now let's insert the table. So we have to insert the record, right? So I'm inserting only this name and population, because ID we have given into the identity like incremental width, so it will get auto increment. So let's insert this, and now let's uh, control. Let's select the table. Okay. So DBO we will put over here, DBO dot, or we will not put also, it will fine, it will run fine, but yeah. So we can see, right, we have a multiple countries country name, and we have entered the population. We can do simply order by population, so we will get into the sorted order, right? uh, but we don't require this. We should always keep this United States should at top, not at third position. So and rest are should be in sorted order. So how we will handle? If we'll use rank function as well, rank will give the ranking for all of them, right? So what we are going to do, we will do one thing. We will select star, then we will use the row number or rank, whatever you want to use that, and we will give the over. Okay. Then we will do the ordering. So we will do the order by population, and as row num. Okay, so we'll get the row number. We will give the from a statement. Let's give the country. And if you look over here, right, this act not solved our problem. One, two, three, four, five. We are also still getting United States at third. So what we will do? We will put an where condition, and we will give the country name. Okay, country name not equals to United States. Okay, so what will happen? We will get the list of the countries having the all the other than United States, we will get the ranking for rest of the countries into the sorted descending order, right? And what we will do again, we will select and we will give 0 as row num. Okay, over here we have created one extra column and we will give this from a statement and we will put DBO countries in this. Okay, and now what we will do, we will put where condition and we will keep country name equals to United States. So we will country name is equals to United States. So what will happen? We will get only the United States and their ranking. Okay. So we got United States as a 0 ranking and rest of the countries ranking is starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So what will happen? 0 will always come at first. So how? What we will do? We will do the union of these two tables and we will take an outer query, or we can take with a statement as well. Whatever you will find you are expert in, you have to take that, just take that. Just put this and now let's give a and do the order by row number. Okay, so just keep the row number over here. I think, yeah, row num and give the ascending order ASC, so it will be in incremental order, so 0 will always come at first. So we can see, right, 0 is always at top, rest other countries are sorted, rest other countries are sorted into the descending format coming into the proper way, and our requirement was like United States should be at top, so we have kept that as a top as well, and rest are into the orders. Another way, like few people will say, like we can go through the another ways as well, case statement. So I'll show you. We case statement result will also show fine, but in ordering, right, there will be fine in ordering as well, but there is a short catch. I'll show you. But I have not tried, but there should be case statement should work as well. So let put case when country is equals to United States, then we will keep 0, else what we will do, we will use same row number over here. Okay, and we will give this as a row num, so we will give this as and as row num. Okay, so just give and as row num and we will give the from a statement. Just put countries. So let's see what is happening. See, we are getting over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 0, then 4, 5, 6. So 3 is getting a skip in row num. If we'll use over here rank, let's see what happening in rank. So 1, 2, 3, all are skipping that, right? So what we have to, and then after that, what we have to do, we have to just select an outer query. We have to give the from a statement, and let's do order by row num in ascending format. So ASC, it's coming into the proper order, but number three for the row num is getting skipped, right? So if someone could ask like why it is getting skipped, during that time you might get stuck, right? So uh, be instead of going through that, you can go by this, and like sometimes we don't able to recall that much in our mind, like or this might be the solution, but we know, right, if you'll keep one record individual, whatever we need, I'll keep that record as a separate, and other record we will keep into the uh, yeah, this ranking format, and we can do this proper ordering, and this way we will get the our result as well. So I have shown you both ways we can solve. Whatever you will prefer or whatever easy to understand for you, go for that, and you can solve this way. If you have an another way, right, to solve this, let me know into the comment box so others could also know about the other ways to solving this question. Hope you have understood. You will get some benefits from this. And I have seen multiple people have not subscribed my channel but watching my videos regularly. Please do subscribe my channel. I used to bring very helpful videos for your interview.